It is 1,000 years after mankind turned the world into a wasteland with pollution and biological weapons. Humans attack the Omu, but this only ends up making the gigantic armored insects angrier. A young princess stands in the humans' way, desperately risking her life to stop the violence. This scene from Hayao Miyazaki's visionary 1984 anime movie, Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind, illustrates not only the dangers of environmental destruction, but also the importance of learning to coexist with nature. In this ruined world, dominated by a vast poisonous jungle, humans are paying the price for their lack of care for their environment. The ground is covered with giant mutated plants, releasing deadly gases and glowing fungi that make the world dangerous for humans to live. The water in the jungle bubbles with harmful chemicals. As a result, wherever the humans go, they need to wear protective masks. Other animals, such as beetles, giant dragonflies, flying centipedes, and the Omu, have adapted to the toxic environment and are very aggressive. The movie paints a terrifying view of what the future of our Earth could be if we don't take steps to stop polluting it. Living on one of the last pieces of unpolluted land, a kingdom called the Valley of the Wind, Princess Nausicaa wants to find a way to save the world, and thus humanity. She often explores the dangerous jungle to learn about the mysteries of her toxic world. Gifted with compassion and a strong connection with nature, Nausicaa comes to the realization that the Omu are actually highly intelligent and empathetic, and are the guardians of the land. Despite their fierce appearance, the Omu strive to maintain balance in the ecosystem as they protect the jungle that is actually purifying and healing the world. The humans believe that the only way to save themselves is by destroying the toxic jungle. However, Nausicaa risks her life to intervene and manages to convince everyone that the jungle is actually healing the earth. She explains that human survival means caring for nature and finding ways to coexist with it. By showing the importance of the jungle, she reminds humans that, to survive, they must work together with nature instead of against it. Nausicaa's journey shows us that survival goes beyond just protecting ourselves. It's about understanding and nurturing the world around us. It also shows that, while working with nature can be a struggle, rather than trying to conquer and control it, we must strive to understand it. Like Nausicaa, we are also learning more about Earth as one large ecosystem that contains many smaller ones. Perhaps it is better that we preserve nature by adapting to it instead of trying to fix it. Overall, Miyazaki's film conveys a hopeful message. If we learn to live in harmony with the natural world, we can find a way to restore and protect our planet.